friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today, I'm going to be cutting and dyeing my hair again. Okay friends, so it is almost football season and I haven't gotten my hair done in like a couple months, and I want to re-dye my hair because it's like faded and doesn't look good. So I'm gonna cut my hair and dye it on my own this time. My sister is going to actually dye my hair, but before I go see her, I'm gonna cut it. So first I have to buzz it, and then I'm gonna take a shower and cut this part of it. And then when I go see my sister, she's gonna bleach it a little bit, and we are going to put green dye. So it's gonna be UV green coloring. So basically it like glows under black light and stuff. It's really cool. She dyed her hair with it a long time ago and she had some left over, so we're gonna do it to my hair. And if you didn't already know, I perform with Philadelphia Eagles drumline, so this is perfect timing because football season is coming. So we're gonna do my hair. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna put my hair up because I'm only gonna be shaving the back and the side. So it doesn't help that I have glasses on right now. I'm gonna look real crazy. Alright, so I have the hair I don't want to cut up and out of the way, and it's getting long and crazy back here, so we gotta cut all this. So here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna have Ron finish because I can't see everything.
She really trusts me.
You did it last time, it's fine. Okay, so my hair is washed and I have my scissors. We're gonna cut this part of my hair now. So I want to keep it mostly what it is, but I'm going to kind of give it a trim and make my bangs a little shorter because I don't like how long they are right now, and I haven't cut my bangs since like 5 months ago. So here we go. So I am actually at my mom's house because my sister is going to bleach and dye my hair the green color. So she's hiding because she doesn't like the camera, but she's gonna do the bleach first. So once we're done with the bleach, I'll show you that. Okay, so bleach is done, and it's a little crazy. We're gonna go over with it with the green. We didn't bleach the whole thing. We just wanted to bleach it more to my scalp a little bit because it was growing out. So that's why there's like all different colors. Okay, so I actually forgot to record my hair in the black light. So here's the only picture of us underneath the black light so you can see what it looks like. Okay friends, so I finally got around to doing a makeup look and styling my hair, and it's been a little over a week, and I don't really style it anymore with the hair straightener except for sometimes in the front it gets a little wonky, so I have to do that. So you can tell it's fading a little bit. My hair doesn't keep color very well, so the thing we use is Crazy Color Toxic UV Salon Pro. So this is the color that we use. I still have almost half the, maybe even more than half the bottle left. So I am gonna go in and put more on top when it fades a little bit. So that's kind of good that I have short hair and I can do that. And the only things that I really use to style it is the Curls Rock Amplifier and this Love Curl Revitalizer. This one doesn't work as much as I would want it to work, and this one kind of gets a little sticky. So I'm trying to find other curling products I can use. So if you have any ideas for me, let me know down below because I would love to try them out. So here is the hair. And if you want to see this makeup tutorial that I did, I will link it above once it comes out. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos every Thursday. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.